Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing another squishy experiment and I'm not exactly sure what number this is. I think it's the 5th, but I'm not really sure. But anyways, let's just get started. And a few of the squishies that I'm going to be experimenting on are from my sister, and actually a lot of the squishies in my previous experiments were also from my sister, which is why you didn't really see them in my squishy collection. So hopefully that clears up a little bit of that confusion, because I know that in my squishy collection, a lot of the squishies that I showed previously were not in that video. So the first item is this Capybara-san biscuit squishy, and it's super duper soft and slow rising. And it also comes with this tag. Next is this Jumbo Panda Bun, and it's also very squishy. Then I chose this mini bread loaf, and this one is soft, but it's not very slow rising. Next I have this Mickey Mouse toast, which is super soft and also squishy. Then I have this ice cream cone, which is again on the soft side. And then I have this Bear School pancake with the blueberry topping, and this one is kind of dense, but it does rise a little bit slowly. And the last squishy in this experiment is this Eye Bloom Peach, which is super duper soft and also squishy. So these are the items that I'm going to be putting in the freezer, and I'll leave them in for around 20 minutes. This is my backyard. This was my drawing that I made a long time ago. So yeah, it's a really good drawing, I know. Here's my gecko, which is vertically sleeping against my glass case. Don't worry, he's not dead. Sorry, I just thought I would show you guys some random things. Like this window, So it's been 20 minutes, and now I will show you guys the squishiness of these squishies. So here's the first item, and it's the Capybara-san biscuit. A lot more slow rising. But now it's quite dense and it's not that soft. But that's the first squishy. And then here is the Mickey Mouse toast, and the packaging is kind of wet. But this one also got quite hard. But I do think this also rises a little bit slower. And here's the mini bread loaf. And this one again got quite hard, but it does rise slower. Then I have the Bear School pancake, and again the packaging is a little bit wet. And this one is like super hard. I don't think this one changed that much, but it just got really hard. And then here is the panda bun. This one didn't get too hard, and it does rise a lot slower. And then here's the ice cream. And this one actually got a lot squishier. And here's the last item, and it's the peach. And this one did get a little more hard, but again, it is rising really slowly. And I think this one will take a long time to get back to its original shape. So this one definitely got a lot squishier. So as you can see, the peach is still rising, but that concludes this squishy experiment. So I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I will see you guys later. Bye!